Hey, food lovers! Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the world of flavors and culinary delights. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of Indonesia's most famous dishes, beef rendang. You've probably tasted it, but do you really know its secrets? Stick around because we're about to uncover unknown facts about beef rendang that will blow your mind. Did you know that beef rendang has its origins in the Minangkabau ethnic group from West Sumatra, Indonesia? This dish isn't just food, it's a symbol of culture and tradition, passed down through generations. Rendang wasn't always an everyday dish. Originally, it was served only during ceremonial events and to honor guests of high status. It was considered a royal dish, reserved for special occasions, because of the long and laborious cooking process. One of the reasons why beef rendang tastes so amazing is because it's slow cooked to perfection. The cooking process can take up to 8 hours. The slow cooking allows the beef to absorb all the spices, making it tender and rich in flavor. Rendang's unique cooking method, where the dish is slowly simmered until nearly all the liquid evaporates, is actually a traditional technique used to preserve food in tropical climates. This method ensures that the dish remains edible for long periods without spoiling. Traditional rendang is often cooked in a special kind of pot called kuali or karai, which is a wide, shallow vessel made of heavy metal. This pot allows for even heat distribution and slow cooking, which are essential for achieving the perfect texture and flavor of rendang. You might be familiar with the juicy, saucy rendang, but have you ever heard of dry rendang? This version is cooked even longer until all the coconut milk evaporates, leaving behind a more intense flavor. The rich, creamy texture of rendang comes from coconut milk. But there's more to it. Coconut milk not only adds flavor but also acts as a natural preservative. The fats in the coconut milk help in preserving the dish, which is why it can last so long. While beef is the most common protein used in rendang, but some regions use unusual ingredients like buffalo, duck, or even jackfruit for a vegetarian version. Each variation offers a unique flavor while still maintaining the essence of rendang. There's an ongoing debate about what qualifies as true rendang. Some argue that only the dry, caramelized version is authentic, while others believe the saucier version is just as valid. This debate often sparks passionate discussions among food lovers. It's perfect for long storage and was traditionally used by travelers. In 2011, rendang was voted the world's most delicious food by CNN's readers. In 2020, it was officially recognized by UNESCO as part of Indonesia's intangible cultural heritage. This dish truly represents Indonesia on the global stage. Rendang was chosen as one of the foods to be sent into space. Indonesian astronaut candidate, Pratiwi Sudarmono, had rendang included in the menu for space missions, showing just how beloved this dish is, even among the stars. In recent years, rendang has inspired modern chefs to create fusion dishes like rendang pizza, rendang burgers, and even rendang sushi. These innovative takes on the classic dish are bringing rendang to a whole new audience. Now, every family has its own rendang recipe, but here's a little-known fact. Traditional rendang contains over 20 different ingredients. From lemongrass to galangal, each spice plays a crucial role in creating that unique flavor profile we all love. The flavor profile of rendang is incredibly complex, balancing sweet, savory, spicy, and umami all at once. This complexity is achieved through the careful layering of spices, making it a dish that continues to surprise your palate with each bite. Rendang isn't just popular in Indonesia. It has variations in Malaysia, Singapore, and even Thailand. Rendang has been used in charitable initiatives, where large batches of the dish are prepared and distributed to the needy, especially during religious festivals or community events. Rendang is often associated with Islamic festivals. It's especially popular during Eid celebrations, symbolizing the end of fasting and the sharing of blessings. One of the most amazing facts about rendang is its longevity. Thanks to its cooking method and ingredients, rendang can last for weeks without refrigeration and even months if stored properly. Traditional rendang is packed with health benefits. The dish is rich in protein from the beef, and many of the spices used, like turmeric, ginger, and garlic, are known for their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. This makes rendang not only tasty but also good for your health when enjoyed in moderation. This made it an ideal dish for long journeys in the past. And finally, did you know that rendang has made its way into pop culture? Rendang has been featured in countless cookbooks around the world, each offering a unique take on the classic recipe. These cookbooks help spread the knowledge of rendang's intricate cooking process and its cultural significance, making it accessible to home cooks everywhere. From being featured on international cooking shows to appearing in movies, this dish is a true star. It's even inspired songs and poetry in Indonesia. In many Indonesian families, rendang recipes are closely guarded secrets, passed down from one generation to the next. These recipes often include special touches or secret ingredients that make each family's rendang unique. It's a source of pride and a way to honor their ancestors. So there you have it, unknown facts about beef rendang. If you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow foodies. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tasty content. Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, Keep cooking and keep exploring the world through food.